Hello guys, we're outside Livingston, Montana, and this is going to be a very short video, but it's going to be like a super authentic one. We are going to dump the cassette toilet for the first time. I don't know if it's anything worth making a big deal about, but I have no idea what's really going to happen. So let's catch it on film. We apologize, we have not prepared the new expedition vehicle for a tour. It has been absolute chaos because not all of our packages have arrived, and the main one that has all of our storage bins is hopefully at the post office right now. All right, let's see what the big deal is. Push the button, a little hand sanitizer, pull it out. There is definitely some material in that. Hey, there, we can dump it right there, honey. Nope, we're gonna use the vault toilet. Yeah, this is real, guys. I don't know. Okay, that goes out because that's where the fecal matter comes out of. I'd say take the cap off next.
Do you think I should vent?
Does it say vent?
No, it doesn't say anything.
Okay.
Or this?
I wouldn't touch
There's an
that.
arrow there. You gotta vent somehow to
Well,
get
maybe
the air
push
out.
that button. Push that button.
Oh! You asshole!
I
knew that was gonna happen!
I did not know that was gonna happen.
Now you can finish.
No. I'm sorry.
No, you're not. You're laughing at me.
Well, there's only one direction to go, and that's forward.
I think this will be your job from now on.
And bombs away.
Okay. I really wish we could wash it out, but...
Hey, got it. And it slides right in. Okay, and that's where you fill the water. But later on, as this goes, we will make a video as we learn this cassette toilet a little more.
How not to pour poop all over our hands.
All right, close it out, babe.
My hands are clean.
Still not gonna make a sandwich for me with those hands until you wash them.
Did you want a kiss?
As long as you didn't stick your hands in your mouth, we're good.
All right, thanks for joining us. Be sure to stick around and hit that subscribe button because there's many more poopy adventures ahead.